How are you all? Fine. Very good. So, let us start a new chapter. That is chapter 15, our environment. Take page number 102 of your textbook. Yes. Our environment consists of air, soil, water, plants, animals, sun, and all other natural things around us. They are our resources. See, what is the environment? Environment is consist of all the natural things which we see around us. These all are resources. Resources means they provide us something. See, what does plants provide us? It gives us fruits, flowers. Yes or no? Yes. Sun. Then sun gives us heat and light. Yes or no? Yes. Animals. Animals also helps us. Yes. Yes. We get milk from cow. Yes or no? Yes. So all the natural things are resources. These all are included in environment. We need these to live. When we misuse them, the environment gets polluted and makes us sick. हमें ये सब की जरूरत होती है. We all need these. And if we are wasting it, if we are misusing it, तो क्या होगा? Environment will become polluted and we will become unhealthy. We will become sick. See, look at this picture. Yes, animals, sun, plants, human beings, birds, these all are environment. A clean and healthy environment is very important for life. But many human activities have made the environment dirty. If we want to live a healthy and fit life, then our environment should be clean. But ऐसी कई सारी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज है जिससे क्या होता है? एनवायरनमेंट डर्टी होता है. Which are that human activities? See, cutting of the trees makes air dirty. If we will cut the trees, then what will become? Air will become dirty. Smoke from vehicles and burning of wood and coal pollute air. फिर air कैसे pollute होगी? ये जो vehicles है उसके smoke से. Yes या no? Yes. Take next page. Throwing garbage and industrial waste in water bodies pollutes water. हम लोग जो कचरा होता है, गार्बेज होता है, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट होता है, उसे कहाँ थ्रो कर देते हैं? वाटर बॉडीज में, रिवर्स में, सी में, लेक में. उससे क्या होता है? वाटर इज गेटिंग polluted. We can play an important role in saving our environment. Should we save our environment? Yes, if you want to live a healthy life, clean life, then what we should do? We should save our environment. How can we save our environment? See, plant more trees, make trees your friends and help them grow in number. What we should do? We should plant more and more trees because trees provide us oxygen. So, if we want to inhale clean air, then what we should do? We should plant more and more trees. Do not litter places around you with empty polybags, wrappers, cartoons, etc. Throw them in the dustbin. See, what we should do? We should throw the wrapper, cartoons, plastic bags, these all things in a dustbin. We should keep around us very clean. Our surroundings should be clean. Turn the page. Do not waste paper. Save as much papers as you can. We should never waste the papers. We should save it. Use paper, jute or cloth bags. Avoid using polythene bags. हमें polythene bags का use करना नहीं है. We should use paper bags or cloth bags because we can recycle it. We cannot recycle polythene bags. Do not waste electricity. We should always save electricity. If we have no use of fan, then we should switch it off. Okay? We should not waste electricity. Water is very precious. Use it very carefully. Save as much water as you can. Water is very useful for us. So what we have to do? We have to save water. Do not burn crackers. Crackers मतलब फटाके. We should not burn crackers. Why? Because it creates smoke and air will become dirty. Take care of animals around you. What we should do? We should take care of pets. We should take care of animals. Yes या no? Yes. These are some steps which can make our surroundings clean. It will save our environment. Take next page. These small steps will help to protect the environment and make the earth a beautiful place to live in. अगर ये सब छोटी छोटी बातों का हम ख्याल रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will protect our environment and it will make a earth very beautiful place. Yes या no? Yes. So what we have learned in this chapter? We have learned about environment. How we can protect the environment. Yes या no? Yes. Now next is Debbie's time. What we have to do here? Write any 3 things you can do to save the environment. Here you have to write the 3 things which will save the environment. We have learned various steps to save environment. Yes, तो उनमें से आपको यहाँ पर कोई भी 3 लिखने हैं. But this you will write it as homework section. Okay? Yes. Now next is fill in the blanks. Number 1, litter should be thrown in the, where should we throw the litter? In the dustbin. So write here D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Number 2, the blank consists of our resources. हमें resources कहाँ से मिलते हैं? What consist our resources? The environment. Write here E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Next, we should avoid using dash bags. हमें कैसी bags को avoid करनी है? Polythene bags. And we should use paper bags or cloth bags. Write here polythene. P-O-L-Y-T-H-E-N-E, polythene. Number 4, we should not waste blank and blank. हमें क्या waste नहीं करना है? We should not waste air and water. Sorry, we should not waste. What we should not waste? Water and electricity. Write here W-A-T-E-R, water and electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. Done? Yes. Now turn the page. Take next page. Next one. Take the correct answer. Number 1. What makes our environment? Our environment किससे बनता है? Everything around us या only sun and earth? Everything around us. So tick the answer. Next, how can a polluted environment harm us? Polluted environment हमें harm कैसे करेगा? It can make us sick, वो हमें बीमार करेगा, या फिर it can make earth beautiful. It can make us sick. तो tick it. Next one, what pollutes air? Air कैसे pollute होगी? Planting trees या cutting trees? Cutting trees. If we cut the trees, then air will be polluted. Next, what pollute the air, water? Garbage and waste from industries या smoke from vehicles? Water कैसे pollute होता है? Industries के waste से या फिर smoke से? Industries के waste से. So tick the correct answer. Done? Yes. See. Next one. Make smiley for the correct statement and make sad face for incorrect statement. What we have to do if the statement is correct? Then we have to make smiley face, and if it is incorrect then sad face. Number 1. We should burn plenty of crackers. हमें बहुत सारे फटाके burn करने हैं? No, it's wrong. So sad face. Number 2. We should not use polythene bags. हमें polythene bags use नहीं करने. Is it true? False. So sad face. Garbage should always be thrown in the dustbin. हमें हमेशा जो garbage है उसे डस्टबिन में थ्रो करना है. Right या wrong? Right. Smiley face. It is good to waste water. Waste water करना सही बात है? No. Sad face. We should not cut trees. हमें trees को cut नहीं करना है. Good habit या bad habit? Good. So, smiley face. Done? Very good. Next one. Write any 3 human activities that pollute the environment. What we have to do here? We have to write any 3 activities which pollute the environment. Which are the 3 activities? Washing utensils in water bodies. Yes or no? Yes. But these 3 activities you have to write it as homework section. Okay? Now, the last thing is web chart, that is on page 107. So take page 107. Yes, it's web chart, pollution of environment. What we have to do? Here we have to write any 3 things which pollute the environment. How environment will be polluted? By cutting trees. So write here, cutting trees. Then next, smoke from vehicles also pollute environment. So write here, smoke from vehicle. Then throw garbage in water bodies. Throw garbage in water bodies. Next one. Saving the environment. How can we save environment? By planting more trees. So write here, plant more trees. Next is, we should throw waste in dustbin. So write here, throw waste in dustbin. Last one, what should we use? We should use paper bags. So write here, use paper bag. Complete it. Done. Very good. So here, chapter 15 is completed. And with this, our syllabus for second standard is also over. Now what you have to do? You have to watch the videos and you have to revise it. Okay? Bye students. Take care.